Today's quick tip. It's very simple, but it's quite important. When we fold our Brompton, there's several ways that you can fold it, but there's one reason that you should leave always. The last thing you go down is the saddle and the first thing to go up. Let me show you. Well, the reason is before we hook the front wheel to the frame, there is a big gap here, and the stop disc will be much closer to the, look at it, check it out. You're not able to put your seat post down, but as soon as you move it, but as soon as you hook your front wheel to the frame, see the distance? The gap's much smaller. Then we're able to move down our seat post. Yes, mine, I still have to adjust just a little bit because this here should be straight. See, it's touching a little bit before you go down. And that's the video for this weekend. We're gonna adjust this. But this quick tip, just to remind you to lower your saddle for last and start with it. Before you unfold it, start with the saddle, and when you're gonna fold it, end with the saddle. Start and end. I know, it's a quick tip. Quick tips are like this, you know, just little things that I remember that could help you somehow, or little things that I say, oh, I didn't know this, or oh, I remember that in the beginning I never thought about it, you know. Hope it's been of some help. If you did like, thumbs up. If you do subscribe, please do. And if you really like it, super thanks. Yeah, I love the super thanks. So this weekend, we're gonna have a adjustment, a stop disc adjustment. Bye-bye.